For this video, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. It's quite possibly the most iconic attraction in all of Central Florida.
How dare you!
Well, it's early 2023 and I'm filming another travel vlog. Today I'm in Orlando, Florida, and if you remember, one of my very first videos that I posted on this channel was Icon Park, and that was probably about 2 years ago now. And I'm shocked at how many changes there have been here at Icon Park. I was actually blown away, because in my earlier video I showed this huge round fountain with choreographed, like a water effect shows, like something you'd see in like Las Vegas. And that huge water fountain, it's gone. It's they yanked it out of the place, and now there's a bunch of concrete pavers down. And where that water fountain used to be is now a carousel. So that was quite a huge change that I didn't expect when I came here. And then I started looking around, and they've got the Museum of Illusions, which is the big museum that they built for, I guess, magic and sight gags and those type of things. And both of these things were not here the last time I was here. Another thing I noticed is Arcade City seems to have gone out of business. There was this really large family entertainment center that was over, I guess, catty corner to where the Wax Museum is, and that's gone now. It looks like that became a real estate office that sells timeshares. There still is another arcade here called In the Game, but it's not nearly as big as Arcade City was. But I mean, those are the most obvious changes that I noticed since I've been here in the past 2 years. Now, if you are coming to Icon Park to ride the rides, that's going to be a challenge circa early 2023, because the giant Ferris wheel, they had a fire, I think a month and a half back, and that has been closed this whole time, so you can't ride the wheel anymore. The free fall ride, the huge drop tower, that's been closed for over a year because there was a fatality on it, and from what I heard, they're going to take that down. And since the people that own the free fall and got shut down also run the Slingshot, that's been closed this whole time as well. That operator is gone. So most of the amusement rides that are associated with this place are shut down, and the only one that's still operating is the Starflyer, which is the huge swing ride that's 400 feet up in the air. After their lousy track record with the other amusement rides, I'm not sure I would ever go on it, just because I'll stick to riding these type of attractions at Disney World, because they have a lot better record when it comes to accidents and not killing their guests. Having said that, I'd say that their Carousel is probably survivable if you wanted to go for a ride on that one. I don't think you'll go flying off that one anytime soon. As for the restaurants, they have a lot of great food options here. I had the fish and chips while I was visiting, and Gordon Ramsay makes some amazing fish and chips. I mean, the food was really, really good. As for the attractions, I think the SeaLife Aquarium is probably the most impressive one here, although the Wax Museum is top-notch as well. The Museum of Illusion is a little short by my standards. I think it might not be worth the price of admission. I kind of ran out of things to do at that one after about 45 minutes, whereas at the SeaLife Aquarium as well as the Wax Museum, I had over 2 hours worth of entertainment at both of those attractions. I did see a lot of advertising for the 7-attraction multipass, so there are discounted attraction tickets available. I don't know how much value is there because, as I pointed out, a lot of these amusement rides at Icon Park are closed. So if you buy a 7-attraction pass and only 4 of them are open, I don't know how much value is there. But, I guess you'd have to make that decision on a case-by-case basis. As for my bottom line, I still really like Icon Park, but I will admit they're really struggling, especially when it comes to the attractions that they're offering at this location. If you're looking for great rides and entertainment, you're probably going to be happier going to City Walk, having Islands Adventure and Universal Studios right next door. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.